ang paraan ng tamang nutrisyon. Excuse me po.
Ganyan talaga pag buntis ka. Kailangan mo mag-gain ng weight at ang dami mo pang kailangan kainin. At ang dami mo pang kailangan i-take up na supplements. Marami. Tulad ng folic acid and B12. Kasi both are required for rapid cell multiplication para sa tissue cells ng isang baby habang nasa sinapupunan ito. And did you know that adequate folic acid intake ensures that the baby is prevented from having neural tube defects like spina bifida? Vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, fluoride, and magnesium. Kasi these are nutrients needed to build skeleton of the fetus. Fluoride is important in the mineralization of the fetus's bone and teeth. Iron deficiency anemia is very much common in women and in pregnant ladies. That's why we require pregnant ladies Zinc naman is needed for RNA and DNA synthesis for the fetal cells. A diet low in zinc predicts low birth weight. Well, for all we know, you just have to take these supplements. But remember, don't take any form of supplements or vitamins or drugs which are not prescribed by the doctor. Kasi mahalin natin, may teratogenic effects pala to sa baby. Wawa naman si baby.